introduces Agile and discusses Scrum Framework in detail. This course covers an introduction to Agile Software Development with detailed discussion on Agile Manifesto and principles, a brief discussion on different Agile methodologies like Scrum, Kanban, XP, etc. In-depth understanding of Scrum Framework, lessons on Agile estimation, and user story writing. This shows our plan for this training. We will start with some Agile basics and then move on to a detailed discussion on Scrum. We will start with Scrum basics and then we will discuss how requirements are handled in Scrum. We will discuss different estimation methods used. We will see how sprint planning is done. We will discuss various roles and formal events in detail. In the last chapter, you will go through a few monitoring and tracking tools used by Scrum teams. Benefits of Agile include, not limited to, accelerate time to market. Agile delivers the right scope at the right time, not all at once. Agile principle says, simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential. We make it simple. Scrumban is a hybrid of Scrum and Kanban. It uses the prospective nature of Scrum and the process improvement of Kanban. Scrum follows an iterative and incremental approach. The work is carried out in multiple iterations called sprints. Sprint is a time. We split the stories based on functionality, not based on technical layers. All stories will cover all technical layers required for its implementation. Story pointing is a relative estimation method. It requires a referral point to do the estimates. Experienced teams. As we have seen in the previous slides, the sprint goal is an objective set for the sprint that can be met through the implementation of selective. All events are time-boxed, that every event has a maximum duration. Once a sprint begins, its maximum duration is. Scrum Guide says, optimal development team size is small enough to remain nimble and large enough to complete significant work within a sprint. The velocities of a team across iterations can be plotted in a velocity chart. It helps in analyzing the trends within a team across.